Good morning, my dear students, and welcome back to the class on English literature. The previous class I had given you the summary of the poem Nine Gold Medals. I hope you have understood the summary that I had explained in the previous class. Today we are going to understand the poem stanza by stanza. Before we go to the poem, just to give you a summary of that particular poem, we have got this particular event taking place at the Special Olympics where differently abled contestants are participating in a 100-meter race. One of them fell down. Something strange that happened afterwards. All the other 8 of them came to the one who had fallen down, lifted him up, and all the 9 of them walked together to the finishing line. So that was summary. So we move on to the poem. Okay, 9 gold medals. So let's go through the poem. Differently abled contestants are participating in a 100-meter race. So come the first stanza. The athletes had come from so many countries to run for gold, for the silver and bronze. Many weeks and months in training, all building up to the games. So the first stanza will give you the picture why the people are here, why the contestants are here. So understand, this is a Special Olympics meant for the differently abled people. So what have these athletes had come from different countries. So these athletes are coming from different countries, and what was their aim? To win either a gold medal or a silver or a bronze. So this was the ambition, or this was the goal of every athlete, every person who had come for the Special Olympics. So what did they do to get their aim accomplished? They had spent their time in training many weeks and months. It means they spent so many weeks, they spent many months in training themselves for what? To attain or to gain a gold or a silver or a bronze, all building up, all preparing for this particular game. So we have got the athletes coming from different parts, from various countries. Their aim was to get a gold medal or a silver or a bronze. So what did they do? They trained themselves for many weeks and months, and now that stage is ready and they are going for their event. Now what happens after that? All round the field, spectators were gathered. Spectators means the people are watching the various events, cheering on all the young women and men. Then the final event of the day was approaching. Approaching means coming near. The last race about to begin. So they are giving a picture of the place where the things are going to happen. Second stanza will explain about the people who have gathered around to watch their event. And what are they doing? They are cheering the men and the women who are participating in the various events. And what is the final event of the day? The final event of the day was approaching, that is the 100-meter race. The last race about to begin. So the spectators are ready. They are cheering the participants, contestants, and the last event of the day, that is 100-meter race, was about to begin. So this is a explanation of the first 2 stanzas. I hope you have understood. So go through read the poem by yourself. Okay, so that will give you a better understanding, and if there is any doubt you can ask me. Thank you.